Hello everyone, have you PinChat today? Here comes PinChat AI agent. Hit the edit button on your link. Jump into chatbot in the left menu. Click create of AI chatbot. First, give your AI a soul in the display settings. Just describe your persona in plain wordings. No need to overthink it or use tech speak. Next up, response settings. This is where the magic happens. Need a pro for post-purchase support? This version sticks to your knowledge base to provide expert-level support. Want a closer? Pick Sales Assistant. This mode turns your AI into a high-energy salesperson focused on driving conversations. As for the AI model settings, you can leave them on default. They are already turned for most sales and support scenarios. Now, let's feed your AI some data. PinChat supports websites, files, and Q&As. And yes, you can mix and match them all. Website, just drop your URL, and our parcel will handle the rest. File, upload your PDFs, Word docs, or Excel sheets directly. Q&A, manually add those specific FAQs you know by heart. Once you're set, hit Save and Trend. Click Open immediately, and let our engine do the heavy lifting. You'll see a progress bar and will ping you the second your agent is ready to work. Getting it in front of customers is just as easy. Use our chat widgets to embed it via JavaScript, share the URL on social media, or integrate it directly with our Meta messengers. So, are you ready to put your AI salesman to work? PinChat. Unify customers' communication with AI.